Hey guys, Lauren Losing here, and I'm getting ready to go to the gym, but I figured I would post a really quick video to promote, ask for questions for my 2.5-year post-op Q&A video that I plan on doing sometime next week. I was looking at my schedule, and so I will probably be doing it Friday, February 26th, but I might be doing it as early as Monday, February 22nd. So post your questions below in the comment section. It can be anything. It can be something I answered before. It can be something new. It can be personal. It can be weight loss related. Whatever you would like. I'm also going to share this on Facebook. It would be easier if you would post it on the YouTube comments, but if you post your question under the Facebook post, that's fine also. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will be answering your questions sometime in the next week or so. Bye.